Do you want to rank #1 on Google and get free leads? Today I'm going to show you how you can use Ahrefs' free keyword research tool to help you get free leads, so stay tuned. Hey, this is Drew Gallagher here to help you grow your business fast. Please smack that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my money-making tips and tricks. Let's get started. So I'm on ahrefs.com/keyword generator. You can search this in your Google search bar, or you can search it on Google and then click the link. Ahrefs is a leading expert in SEO, backlink analysis, and keyword research. They have some of the best tools on the market. I'm going to show you one of them today, and it's free. So I'm on the keyword generator, and you can find thousands of keyword ideas in seconds. So as you can see, you can use Google, Bing, YouTube, and Amazon to figure out which keyword ideas that you can use in those search engines. So what we can do is we can search something in our niche. So I'm in the make money online space. So what I would do is I would type something like make money online. And you can change your country here if you want to be more targeted. I'm going to click find keywords. You have to confirm that you're not a robot because they don't want people scraping the data. And then in just a few seconds, you're going to see all these amazing keywords for free. So it's going to show you the keyword difficulty, which is what KD is, and you can see what it says. So keyword difficulty estimates how hard it will be to rank in the top 10 organic search results for a given keyword in a given location. It's calculated by taking a weighted average of the number of linking domains to the current top ranking domains. The result is then plotted on a logarithmic scale from 0 to 100, low difficulty to high. So you want keywords that are in green, because the ones in red or yellow are going to be more difficult, and you want to try to center your content around the green terms. Pretty much everything below 40 is a good score. It's going to show you the search volume, which represents the average monthly number of searches for that particular keyword that you searched. And it's going to show you when it was last updated. These searches are updated quite frequently, which is great. So I see make money online PayPal. So I might want to make a video or a series of videos and blog posts around how to make money online with PayPal, or how to make money where I can get paid out with PayPal. Typically searches that have lower volume are less competitive. So you can look at some of these other keywords and you can see how they could apply. Because we're using the free version, we're only going to get a limited amount of searches, but 100 keywords is a great set of keywords to create a ton of content. So some of the ideas are make money online legit, how to make money online, can you really make money online, how can a kid make money online fast. These are all amazing ideas, and it's just from one primary keyword, which was make money online. Now this is for Google. Let's say I want to create content on YouTube, which is what I do quite often. What I can do is I can go to the YouTube keyword tool, which is very similar, and I can search make money online. I can verify that I'm not a robot, and then I can find the keywords. And it's going to pull up all the search volume. So it's going to show me how many searches per month are for these terms. Now, like I said, typically something that's high search volume is going to be really high competition, because a lot of people are looking for it, which means a lot of people are finding it and creating content around it. So you want to look at some of these lower volume search terms, and you can create a bunch of these. And you might think, oh, I don't want to create content where it's only 70 searches a month. Well, you might think that at first, but then once you realize the competitive nature of it and how it might be a lot easier to rank #1 on that page, it might be 70 searches a month, but if you get one of those people to go to your page and they end up buying and they end up paying $1,000 or $2,000, that's free traffic on something that was just not very competitive, and you took advantage of it. You didn't have to pay for ads for that keyword, and you can jump right on it. A lot of people think that they just need to get the highest search volume. The problem is, the intent with high search volume keywords, especially that aren't specific, is that they're not long tail enough, so they're not saying, best ways to make money online or top ways to make money online. So the person searching it isn't really implying that they want to, make money online right now. They're just kind of interested, and it's more of a broad search. If you want me to make a video on keyword search intent, then say yes in the comments below. I'd love to show you how to improve your keyword research skills. Now I can take a bunch of these different ideas and create several different pieces of content from them. You can check for Bing and Amazon as well, and in different countries. Ahrefs is an amazing tool to help you get off the ground and start creating content that ranks #1 on Google, YouTube, Bing, and Amazon, so you can start converting sales, converting leads, and growing your business right away. If you want to learn how to use keyword research to dominate online marketing and make an extra $1,000 to $2,000 a month with your business right now, then you need to go to my website, drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom, and grab my free ultimate guide on how to start an online business. With my ultimate guide, you'll be able to figure out all the ins and outs of starting a successful, profitable online business in no time. Go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. I'll put a link in my description. You can click there, go there, and claim your free ebook. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for helping you to use Ahrefs keyword research tool. I'll put a link below where you can access the tool. If you like this video, smack the crap out of that like button like your life depends on it. If you want more tips on how to make money online and grow your business, then I'll see you in the next video right after this video. Thank you so much for listening. Peace out.